Okay, 99 BMW 223i E46 engine. I'm going to do a quick spark plug replacement. I've been noticing some misfire. It's cold and it's been getting colder for about 2 to 3 months here. So I'm going to see if it's going to fix the problem. All right, what do I have? I got the Bosch Platinum. I got 6 for about $34 at Advance Auto. And of course, I got brand new plugs. Last time I did a complete tune-up was about a year ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I remember I changed the spark plug, but I did not change the plug itself. So I will see if it's gonna. I think I have misfire on one. It's gonna be misfire on 1 and 6. But I'm gonna change everything and see how it goes. If it solves the problem, good. If it doesn't solve, then I will troubleshoot. All right, I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. I already disconnect some of the part, but I'll see if I can do it again faster. Then last time it took me about total tune-up, had oil change, filter change. It took me about 2 hours to do that, but this is not complicated. It should not take me more than 30 minutes total.
First page of a story. The future seemed so bright. Then this thing turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even angels had their wicked schemes, and you take that to new extremes. But you'll always be my hero, even though you've lost your mind. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Oh, I love the way you lie. Now there's gravel in our voices, glasses shattered on the fight. In this tug of war, you'll always win, even when I'm right. 'Cause you feed me fables from your head, with violet words and empty threats. And it's sick that all these battles are what keeps me satisfied. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. Oh, love the way you lie. Oh, so maybe I'm a masochist. I try to run, but I don't wanna ever leave till the walls are going up and smoke with all our memories.
This morning, you wake a sun ray, hit your face, smeared makeup is plain, the wake of destruction. Hush, baby, speak softly. Tell me you're awfully sorry that you pushed me into the coffee table last night so I can push you off me. Try and touch me so I can scream at you not to touch me. Run out the room and I'll follow you like a lost puppy. Baby, without you I'm nothing. I'm so lost, hug me. Then tell me how ugly I am, but that you'll always love me. Then after that, shove me. In the aftermath of the destructive path that we're on, two psychopaths, but we know that no matter how many mouths we put in each other's backs, that we'll have each other's backs. Cause we're that lucky together we move mountains. Let's not make mountains out of molehills. You hit me twice, yeah, but who's counting? I may have hit you 3 times, I'm starting to lose count. But together, we'll live forever. We found the youth, found our love. It's crazy, we're nuts, but I refuse counts. And this house is too huge. If you move out, I'll burn on 2,000 square feet of it to the ground. You can do about it, cause with you I'm in my mind. Without you, I'm out.
Watch me burn. That's alright, 'cause I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, 'cause I love the way you lie. 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 Love the way you lie.
Ma France en moi, elle parle fort. Elle vit à bout de rêve, elle vient en groupe, parle de bled, elle déteste les règles. Sèche les cours le plus souvent pour ne rien foutre. Elle joue au foot sous le soleil, souvent du court car dans la cour. C'est le hip-hop qui la fait danser sur les pistes. Parfois elle kiffe un peu de rock, ouais, si la mélodie est triste. Elle fume des clopes et un peu de shit, mais jamais de drogue dure. Héroïne, cocaïne et crack est alors dur. Souvent en guerre contre les administrations, leurs BEP mécaniques ne permettront pas d'être patron alors. Elles se démènent et vendent de la merde à des bourges, mais la merde ça ramène à la mer un peu de bouffe. Parce que la famille c'est l'amour et que l'amour se fait rare, elles se battent rien que mal pour les mettre à l'écart. À des valeurs, des principes et des codes, elles se couchent à l'heure du coq car elles passent toutes ces nuits en forme. Paraît feignante, mais dans le fond elles perdent pas de temps, certains la craignent car les médias s'acharnent à faire d'elle une corde. Si ma France en moi se valorise, c'est bien sûr pour mieux régner, s'intérioriser, s'interdit de saigner. C'est pas ma France à moi, cette France profonde, celle qui nous fout la honte et aimerait que l'on plonge. Ma France à moi ne vit pas dans le mensonge, avec le cœur et la rage, à la lumière, pas dans l'ombre. C'est pas ma France à moi, cette France profonde, celle qui nous fout la honte et aimerait que l'on plonge. Ma France à moi ne vit pas dans le mensonge, avec le cœur et la rage, ouais. Ma France à moi, elle parle en SMS, travaille par MSN, se réconcilie en mail et se rencontre en MMS. Se déplace en skate, en scooter, en bolide, Basile Poli est un mythe, les cinétines sont synonymes, elle. Il faut pas croire qu'on la déteste, mais elle nous manque, car nos parents travaillent depuis 20 ans pour le même montant, elle. Nous a donné des ailes, mais le ciel est VIP, peu importe ce qu'ils disent, elle sait gérer une entreprise, elle. Vie à l'heure américaine, KFC, MTV Base, Foot Locker, McDo et 50 Cent, elle. C'est les petits mecs qui jouent au basket à batteur, Jared et Tony Parker, sur le parquet des Spurs, elle. C'est les petites femmes qui se détrouillent entre l'amour, les cours et les embrouilles qui coûtent du rail, arrête pied des sous, ma France à moi, elle se met. Ouais, c'est un arc-en-ciel, elle te dérange, elle sait, elle te veut pas pour modèle, non. C'est pas ma France à moi, cette France profonde, celle qui nous fout la honte et aimerait que l'on plonge. Ma France à moi ne vit pas dans le mensonge, avec le cœur et la rage à la lumière, pas dans l'ombre. C'est pas ma France à moi, cette France profonde, celle qui nous fout la honte et aimerait que l'on plonge. Ma France à moi ne vit pas dans le mensonge, avec le cœur et la rage, ouais. Ma France à moi, elle a des hauts et des chambres où elle s'enferme. Elle est drôle et Jamel Debbouze pourrait être son frère. Elle repeint les murs et les trains parce qu'ils sont ternes. Elle se plaint, fout la merde car on la pousse à ne rien faire. Elle a besoin de sport et de danse pour évacuer. Elle va au bout de ses folies au risque de se tuer. Mais ma France à moi, elle vit, au moins elle loue, au moins elle rit et refuse de se soumettre à cette France qui voudrait qu'on bouge. Ma France à moi, c'est pas la leur. Celle qui vote exprès, celle qui badine les jeunes en diable sur la FP, celle qui se prend au Texas, celle qui a peur de l'OTAN, celle qui vénère Sarko, intolérante et gênante, celle qui regarde tuer les schools et regrette que Tony Story, qui laisse crever les pauvres et laisser prendre le pain à l'hospice. Ma France à moi, c'est qu'on dérange, mais non pas leur vaincront. Et si on est des citoyens, alors aux armes la jeunesse, Macron Sama leur tiendra tête jusqu'à ce qu'ils nous respectent. Merci.
Okay, so this is the new one. Old. Make sure they look alike. Yep. Make sure you numerate when you're going to take out any parts. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or whatever you do it in order. Okay, one thing very important is if you look right here, this is the ground. Okay, there's one here and one at the edge right here. Okay, make sure you put them back in the correct order, correct position. All right, and how do you take it off? It's pretty easy. So you come here, you press it up. That's it. This metal thing, you just press it directly up. Push. So you make it up. Same thing right here. Just with your two fingers, you just press it up. And you can take it off. Okay?
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace
So the first one is out.
to make you feel my love.
I'm gonna replace this one.
When the evening shadows and the stars
Alright, so I take the first one out.
and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue. I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I couldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love.
hunyengu. Sasudu adu hunyengu. Namunifonyeji. Kingana mwenzinyo. Nashingana manisi na we. Ningekuwa malaika. Nashingana manisi na we. Ningekuwa malaika. Eba. Kidege. Kukuwaza kidege. Kidege. Kukuwaza kidege. Namunifonyeji. Kigana mwenzinyo. Nashingana manisi na we. Chongli. Ningekuwa malaika. Nashingana manisi na we. Ningekuwa malaika. Esa. Sasudu adu hunyengu. Esa. Sasudu adu hunyengu. Namunifonyeji. Kingana mwenzinyo. Nashingana manisi na we. Ningekuwa malaika. Nashingana manisi na we. Ningekuwa malaika. Ningekuwa malaika. Ningekuwa malaika.
Yeah. Last one. This one is pretty clean. Bosch Platinum again. 4. Same what I'm talking about. Okay. This one I don't like how the bass looks, so that was a good idea for me to change that. So yeah, but I still do not see any trace of oil. Okay. look like the person. You can see it's inside is pretty clean. Same thing the next one. Same thing etc. etc. So I always leave the last one on just to make sure I'm not confusing anything. So everything is out. So I just have to start putting this player back in the clean one.
story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She got love in East LA. To the sound of the guitar, yeah. Played by Carlos Santana. Stop looting, stop shooting, pickpocketing on the corner. See, as the rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poorer. See me and Maria on the corner, thinking of ways to make it better. In my mailbox, there's an eviction letter. Somebody just say, see you later. Yeah. East Coast. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA. I said it to the sounds of the guitar, yeah. Played by Carlos Santana. I said a lot of fella, polluted. The streets are getting hotter. There's no water to put up the fire. Me contar esperanza. See me and Maria on the corner, thinking of ways to make it better. Then I look up in the sky, hoping that there's a paradise. Maria, you know you're my lover. When the wind blows, I can feel you through the weather. And even when we are apart, still feel like we're together. Maria, yeah. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She got love in East LA. To the sound of love's guitar. Played by Carlos Santana. Put 'em up, y'all. Carlos Santana with the refugee gang. Wyclef. Jimmy Wonder. lokola nzelue miso mike mino mike o soto moke na mapapu bongo tepatepa